Have you ever wanted to make money while sitting on your couch doing nothing? Well, now you can. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money while doing nothing but watching TV. It's possible because there are many ways to make money with your smartphone, and some of these ways are even while wasting time. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make $1,000 or even more per day instantly, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. TV provides a constant stream of buffoonery and schadenfreude, but did you know that it can also be used to make money? You might be spending too much time watching TV. Wouldn't it be great if you could actually make money doing this wasting time? Well, apparently the Viggle app is perfect for that. Viggle is a mobile app that lets you earn money while watching TV. It works on both iOS and Android devices. You can get rewarded for interacting with all of your favorite entertainment. Check into shows and movies live on TV or on providers like Netflix, Amazon, and Hulu to earn perk points. Next, you can exchange your perk points for real-life rewards. You can redeem your points cash by PayPal or gift cards for top brands like Amazon, Walmart, and more. Viggle is powered by Perk, the #1 mobile reward program. Perk has more rewards, more apps, and more giveaways than anyone. To earn more Viggle points in the shortest time, here are some tricks and tips. Check in for 60 seconds and get 1 point, remain logged in for an additional minute and get 2 points. Once you check in, however, you are not required to watch the full show. Even if you fall asleep, or your phone does, your check-in will remain active until the program ends or you check into another one. Also, the app contains 20 to 400 additional points concealed. Most are phone ads. Some are movie or show trailers. Midnight EST has most of them. Click the bonus shows icon on the home screen to discover them. 1 Viggle account per person is allowed per household. 2 devices may watch the same program concurrently with separate email addresses. Each family may have 4 accounts. Now, make sure to check the links in the description if you like to make money instantly. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.